Songbird financial token sitting at $300 on the daily chart. You have the stochastic RSI breaking up, the RSI breaking up. If it goes back to all-time high was around $500,000, almost $1 million. There's only 11,000 of these tokens. Super hidden gem. Going back to all-time highs to 27,000 X. It's not financial advice. People aren't looking for it, but this is one of the tokens where you could get one, and this could be the one. Have a nice day. Keep your head up. Real hidden gem. Have a nice day.